Can you see the blue tit? It's on the coconut thing. And there's a blackbird behind on the hedge. So I do keep the two coconut feeders in there at the moment for the wee birds. The blackbird. It's so funny when they hop around the garden, they're so fast. Collared doves, got the 3 collared doves in a day. I've seen 3 male blackbirds, 3 female blackbirds. We've had the blue tits out. The little birds we haven't identified yet, and the robins. I think that's a robin down on the floor there. Yeah, there it is. There's a robin. Oh. What are these little birds? Wee birdies. It's been so funny because I've had the blackbirds chasing each other about in the garden today. It's so funny. The blackbird's been enjoying the coconut. Where's he popping off to? So, female blackbird, she likes that spot next to the coconut feeder. And I've seen her just there where she is now. Just stay. Even when all the other birds are scattered off, she normally just stayed. Here's Mr. Blackbird. But I've seen 3 big pairs, so I'm like, oh, normally you have 1 Mr. Blackbird, I see. But apparently they come from Northern Europe to the milder, it's not as cold, looking for food. And it isn't unheard of for them to have babies in January. And I think that's what this little female one has been preparing for, because she has been constantly eating. She may even have some in those bushes. It would be hard to tell, because when they're young, they just look like, I don't know, like little birds, like that one up on the top there. But I've had to warm the water this morning so they can drink it, because it was iced over, so solid. I did clean all the bench on the table again, boiled and disinfected the feeding bits. She's going up there, you see, so does she even have babies already in there? I don't know, doubt it. But all those little ones that's been bobbing about could be, that I'm not used to seeing. So Mr. Blackbird and a Mrs. Blackbird there this morning. There's 2 blue tits, can you see? Don't know where the other one's gone. How pretty. Who's that tiny one? I'm not sure. I mean, robin. That's a robin. I can see the red on its front. The one that's just flew off there is the robin. Starling's been having a bath in the water. There's Mama Blackbird. Having a bath. I can hear its little wings. It should be nice and warm, not water. I'll keep making sure it doesn't ice over.